Hello kids, welcome back to Elga 7 online class. In this class, we are going to revise pronoun. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of noun, or a pronoun is written in place of noun. Take one example. Rita is playing, she fell down. Here, noun is Rita. You know what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. She fell down. She is a pronoun. I am not saying Rita fell down. I said she fell down. Here she is pronoun. Let us take some more example. This is me. Here me is pronoun. I am a boy. I am a boy. I is also pronoun. Me also pronoun. This is Naman. Naman is noun. He likes to play. He is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. It is used in place of Naman. This is Taj Mahal. It is beautiful. Here it is pronoun. And this Taj Mahal is noun. So I am not saying this is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is beautiful. Instead of Taj Mahal, I am saying it is beautiful. Here it is pronoun. Now, you are my best friend. Here, you is the pronoun. You are my best friend. You is the pronoun. Next, these are my friends. We are a team. Here, we is pronoun and mine also is a pronoun. This is Ria and that is Pia. They are my friend. So here, they is the pronoun. My also is a pronoun. So children, you have understand what is pronoun? Pronoun, a pronoun is written in place of a noun, or you can say that a pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Open page number 73 of Elga 7. Pronouns. First question is, circle the noun and fill in the blanks with the pronoun. So you know that what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. And pronoun, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. First one, A. Priya goes to the park. In this, which is the noun? Priya. Priya is the noun, so you have to circle. Dash plays there every day. She. You write here, she. She is a pronoun. Rohan and Riya go to school. Which is the noun? Rohan and Riya. Rohan and Riya. This is the noun, so circle it. And dash are my friend. They are my friend. They is the pronoun. Write it over here. Next, C1. This is my class. Dash eat lunch together. We. Here we. This is my class. Here noun is class. And we. You write here we. We is a pronoun. Next one, D. Bruno wants to eat everything. It never stops. So I am writing it as a pronoun. Bruno, you have to circle because this is noun. Next one, Rohan take bath. Rohan take a bath. They are looking dirty. They are looking dirty. They, this is pronoun and noun, Rohan. So we have circled the noun and fill in the blanks with the pronoun. Open page number 76. Question number 1. This is worksheet 16. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun from the options. They have given two options. You have to fill the correct pronoun from here. Mohan is a tall boy. So Mohan is a boy. For boy, we will write he. He likes to jump a lot. The hen is a pet animal. It lays eggs. Rohit and Sifa are playing. Dash they will not come home soon. They dash all will make this class a better place. We write down here we all will make this class a better place. Even can dash help me with this work. Can you write down you. Worksheet 17. Question number 1, page number 77, worksheet 17. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun from the option given. So here also two options are there. You have to fill the correct pronoun. Aisha and her mother watched a big animal on the TV. It is, here write down it is called a dinosaur. Why is everyone looking about it? Here write it. Dash asked her mother. She, Aisha is a girl. So she asked, you write down here, she asked her mother. Lots of people live where the dinosaur is going. Lots of people live where the dinosaur is going. Dash want to get ready before comes there. They wants to get ready before they comes there. Before it comes there. Aisha said Rohan likes dinosaur a lot. She decided that she will call him and tell him about dinosaur. Dash will be so happy to know this. He will be so happy to know this. So happy to know this. Now page number 78, worksheet 18, pronouns. This question number 1, fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. My name is Pro. Dash live in Africa. I live in Africa. My mother's name is Angie. She is from Australia. She is from Australia. My father's name is Neil. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. I have a brother too. His name is Gary. He always fights with me. Our dog Monty is just 2 months old. He is very clever. We all live in Africa. What can Dash tell me about your family? What can you tell me about your family? Now open page number 83, worksheet 23. This is also same question. Fill in the blanks with correct pronoun from the option given. Ritu is a tall girl in her class. She likes to play basketball. She likes to play basketball. I wish to keep a rabbit as my pet. It will it will eat carrot every day. Raman and Aman are brothers. We look the same. We look the same. D1. Dash I am going to work very hard this time. Next E1. Can you please give me a helping hand? Can you please give me a helping hand? Again question number 2, same worksheet. Worksheet 23. Fill in the blanks with correct pronoun. Today is a sunny day. I will go on a walk with my dog. It likes to go for walks. We walked for a few hours. I saw a lot of people. They liked my dog. I saw a girl. She also come with her dog. The dogs started playing. Dash did not want to go back. They did not want to go back. Now open worksheet 27, page number 87. Again, this is also pronoun. Page number 86. Page number 86. Worksheet 26. Tick the correct pronoun in the following sentences. Dash do not feel like going anywhere. I do not feel like going anywhere. She cooks after doing he cooks after